Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the purchase order analysis report in the buying function and specifically within the key reports subfunction of Parsimony. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this report to gain valuable insights into your purchase orders and make informed decisions. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the Key Reports tool. This tool provides important reports to help you manage your purchasing activities effectively. Click on the Purchase Order Analysis report to access the report interface. This is the Purchase Order Analysis report. Let's explore how to use it to gain insights into your purchase orders. Start by selecting the desired filters to narrow down the report results. You can filter by date range, supplier, item, or any other relevant criteria. The report provides valuable analytics data related to your purchase orders. It includes metrics such as total purchase value, purchase quantity, average purchase price, and top suppliers or items. The report also presents the analytics data in a visually appealing chart format. This allows for better visualization and quick identification of trends or patterns in your purchase orders. You can export the report to various formats such as Excel or PDF using the Export button. Additionally, you can print the report for offline reference. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Purchase Order Analysis report in the buying function and the Key Reports subfunction of Parsimony. This report empowers you with valuable insights into your purchase orders, enabling you to make informed decisions and optimize your procurement processes. Thank you for watching this tutorial.